Hey everybody, I hope you're super well. I'm here with Zye. Say hi, Zye.
Hi.
Zye and I are working on a little project today for the jet ski. One of the promises I made before the holidays were over was that we would go fishing on the jet ski. But we have nowhere to store fish because we're going to catch heaps of fish, aren't we? Or clean fish, or deal with fish, or just have a flat surface to deal with gear. And so we decided to do a little do-it-yourself DIY project for a JetSki Fishing Esky. You can buy them, but even used, they're like $500, and just I think we can get away with spending about half of that at the most to get our own custom-made one, hey?
Yep.
So here's what we've got. You can see that we have the Esky, so it's a slimline Esky, so it'll fit perfectly on the back of the ski. And so far what we've done is bolted these little eyelet hooks into the ski, two on the front, two on the back, and we bought these rod holders, so $7 or something at BCF. We're going to put two of them on each side, and then we bought a bunch of gear to bolt it all together and hold it on the back of the ski. And so you can see, Zye, can you open it up? Just show them how we've done the inside. So I spent way too much on bolts, but I couldn't find the right size bolts in bulk. And if we open up the Esky, you can see we've just used a washer and a lock nut on each of the bolts, and we're good to go. So let's get this thing together, and I'll show you how it connects to the back of the ski in a second. Let's do it. Zye, how'd we go, buddy?
Good.
We got it done, didn't we? Check this out. So, we got rod holders on each side. We bought these little straps from Bunnings. You just hook them in the hole there, and then that'll hook over the rod, keep them in place. So we got two on that side. You can see we had some bolting and screwing to do there, but we got it done. And then two on this side. We just stuffed up the bottom screw because we didn't account for this thicker bit, so we need to go get two longer bolts just for that bottom screw. And I think we're done. We're going to put one more bracket just on the front, and we'll show you why in a second. Right, how'd we go, bud?
Good.
We done?
Yep.
We are done. Can you be my little show person?
Yes.
So, what do we got on the side here?
We got the fishing rod holders.
Yep.
There's straps, so if it's come here.
Doesn't come out. How good's that? We got two of those on each side. Here's the setup for the front. So we've just got these tension bars, and put those into the Esky. The other side straps on with D-shackles to the tow rope ring, and that's super tight, so that keeps it sort of pretty rigid. Then on the front here, you can see we've got that eyelet down there, and some straps that go underneath and attach onto the eyelets on the jet ski just to stop the bottom from sliding out. And then this one does the same thing, pulls the back of it down, and you can see is super tight and not going anywhere. And then this is where we're going to put all our fish, hey? Opens up. Obviously we might need to do some sealing around the bolts and the holes that we've drilled there, so the Esky doesn't leak if we put water in it. But I reckon pretty good, hey bud? You happy with that?
Yep.
So that is do-it-yourself JetSki Esky making.
Yep.
I'm going to put all the costs and materials in the description of the video so that you can do it yourself. I reckon it's pretty easy, hey? Yeah. And let's go fishing.